had started work on this small bathroom in the hall, and I've got most of the wallpaper off, 90% of it. There's still bits and pieces, and I had at one time cleaned this shower, but we'll probably have to do that again. And Mark decided that, yeah, the toilet was causing us problems here, and I couldn't get to the wallpaper behind it, so he removed it. And of course, we found other problems. The toilet itself was cracked, and it was leaking methane, which, yuck, it was, you know, and as soon as you touched it, it got worse. So, you know, once I tried to strip the wallpaper behind it, it just got uglier and uglier. So we removed it, and he bought this red cap, I guess, to seal the vent, I guess. Okay, and when Mark took the toilet out and sealed the opening there, it looked like the flange had either sunken or was put in badly to begin with, because it is crooked, and in order to level the floors, they had placed concrete on the side that was low, and so Mark had to chip that away because it even covered the flange. So there is apparently a kit that you can buy to level this, and we have that on order. And once that's done, that concrete has to be rebuilt properly, not on top of the flange, but just around it. The linoleum has to be torn up. We're going to take out the cabinet. We're going to do this job properly. The only thing that's going to be left in this room is the shower stall. We're just not in a position to change everything, but the shower stall is, other than the color, it works. It's in good shape, so there's no reason to replace that. So we will replace the cabinet, which is in pretty bad shape as well. Really not replaceable, but for now we did buy the toilet, and we're going to put ceramic tile on this floor. It's such a small room. It's 25 square feet, so ceramic tile for this is not terribly expensive at all, and I did choose the ones I want for this room, and it should be quite nice when the job is done, but right now it's pretty ugly. Okay, Mark has capped off the taps for the sink and plugged up the drain and removed the cabinet, so another step ahead. Boy, this is ugly. Ugly. Okay, and while Mark was stripping the bathroom of the cabinet and the linoleum, I was busy making applesauce, and it's just come out of the canner. I've got 6 jars, and I did not have my fancy-dancy apple peel or core, so I had to cut all the apples by hand. Yuck. And I also, well, this was last night, I made a jar of cranberry sauce to go with our turkey. Yum, yum.